Welcome to the business top tips day. Right, the Health and Safety Executive recently announced its programme for dealing with construction health and safety. So what are the main elements of its plan for the next year and how could it affect you? Well, construction continues to be a high priority for the HSE because despite improvements over recent years, it's still by far the most dangerous industry in the UK. The sector accounts for about a third of all work-related deaths each year. So in a presentation to the Construction Industry Advisory Committee, it's a mouthful, it was revealed where it will be focusing its efforts in the coming year. As you would expect, inspectors will continue to put an emphasis on known areas of high risk. For example, work at height, lifting operations, asbestos, structural safety, and fire and explosion. In addition to these areas, inspectors will also focus on respiratory risks, good order, welfare and the competence of all parties. They will not only look at the traditional construction sites but also emerging technologies like wind farm construction. The list of priorities is a guide to what an inspector may focus on, but it doesn't mean they will ignore everything else. Clearly, if they spot another hazard on your site, you can expect them to be pulling you up. So, the HSE says that it will be putting more time and energy, as if we needed it, into smaller sites with 15 or fewer workers. This is because recent statistics have shown that 62% of fatal accidents occur there. Larger contractors aren't entirely off the hook, however. Instead of so many site visits, the HSE hopes to engage with these firms at board level with a focus on the management of health risks, leadership, worker involvement and performance measurements. The emphasis on worker involvement means that inspectors are likely to speak to anyone on site and ask not only about the training and information that they've received, but also whether they have had the opportunity to be trained in health and safety. That's today's top tip for today. Thanks for watching thebusiness.com.